morning students, how are you? I hope you all are good. Okay students, today I am going to start our new lesson from chemistry, that is chemical effects of electric current. Okay, before discussing this chapter, we will know about good conductor of electricity and bad conductor of electricity. Good conductor of electricity means those materials which allow electricity to pass through them are called good conductor of electricity. Example, yes, solids like copper and aluminium, they conduct electricity. Okay, and liquids like lemon juice, mercury conduct electricity. Okay, here good conductor of electricity means those materials which allow electricity to pass through them. Okay, the next, bad conductor of electricity. Bad conductor of electricity means those materials which do not allow electricity to pass through them. Okay, are called bad conductor of electricity. Example, solids like plastic, rubber, wood do not conduct electricity. And liquids like alcohol, distilled water do not conduct electricity. Okay, all of you clear what is mean by good conductor of electricity and bad conductor of electricity? Yes.
See students, here if we attach wires to the metal part of the screwdriver, here what happen? The bulb will glow. So it is a good conductor of electricity. But if we attach wires to the plastic part of the screwdriver, here what happen? The bulb will not glow. So it is a bad conductor of electricity.
Hence, solids like copper and aluminium conduct electricity, and also liquids like mercury, tap water, lemon juice conduct electricity. Here, liquids which conduct electricity are called electrolytes. Okay, liquids which conduct electricity are called electrolytes. Okay, here solutions of acids, bases and salts in water which conduct electricity are electrolytes. Okay, example of acid solution, that is lemon juice conducts electricity because lemon juice contains citric acid. Okay, the citric acid is mixed with water, then form acid solution. The next example of base solution. Here, solution of sodium hydroxide conducts electricity. Here, sodium hydroxide is a base solution. Okay, then example of salt solution. Yes, tap water conducts electricity. Here, tap water has salt in it. Okay, here salt solution conduct electricity. Yes, tap water conducts electricity. Okay, all of you clear what is mean by electrolytes? Yes, liquids which conduct electricity are called electrolytes. Okay, yes. Students, electrolytes are two types. One is strong electrolyte and another one is weak electrolyte. Here strong electrolyte means those liquids which conduct electricity very well are called strong electrolyte. Okay, yes, they conduct electricity because they have a lot of ions in it. Okay, example, yes, H2SO4 solution, sulfuric acid solution. We already know sulfuric acid is a strong acid, is it? So, sulfuric acid solution is a strong electrolyte. Then, HCl solution, hydrochloric acid solution. Then next, NaOH solution, sodium hydroxide solution. Okay, sodium hydroxide solution is a base solution. Yes. The next, common salt solution. Okay, these are the examples of strong electrolyte. The next is weak electrolyte. Weak electrolyte means those liquids which conduct electricity to a less extent are called weak electrolyte. Okay, they conduct less electricity because they have less ions in it. Example, vinegar. Vinegar contains acetic acid. The next is, yes, lemon juice. Lemon juice contains citric acid. Tap water and rainwater. These are the examples of weak electrolyte. Okay, all of you clear what is mean by strong electrolyte and weak electrolyte? Okay. Yes, students, is water a good conductor of electricity? Yes. Tap water and sea water are good conductor of electricity because they have salt in it. But distilled water and pure water are bad conductor of electricity because they do not have salt in it. Okay, see, yes, good conductor of electricity, tap water and sea water are good conductor of electricity because they have salt in it. Yes, bad conductor of electricity, example, pure water and distilled water are bad conductor of electricity because they do not have salt in it. Okay, okay students, which is a better conductor of electricity, sea water or tap water? Yes, sea water is a better conductor of electricity because it has more salt compared to tap water. Okay, all of you clear? Yes. Okay, you have one question. Can you say any 3 examples of strong electrolyte? Okay students, we will see in our next class. Thank you.